said something. I let that 4 nickel head butt him. I turn the bro to a red puddle. Chop up his body, a dead puzzle. I make a pussy hole big for me. I fuck that hoe like a kid, man. I make her scream like a kid woman. All of these hoes are some headhunters. Fuck on a period, red rubbers. All of my bros are some head busters. Ruby diamonds look like red bubbles. Money jumping, call it bunny bird. Me and money, we like bread and butter. All the blood coming from his head, he a redhead like Peggy Bundy. 150, can't swap a dime for a penny. Can't swap a thigh for a biddy, a lot for a plenty. You know it's a stupid decision. You know it's the newest edition, exclusive edition. You know it's the Tunchi edition. You know that the roof of decision. The coupe is on skinny, you know that the coupe is on blaze. I'ma come loosen on scissors. It's beautiful bitches, you too cute, too beautiful bitches. But my bitch more beautiful bitches, babe, you too delicious. Babe, I'm the key, you the ignition. And we bout the room to the finish. That's true as religion. And I'm about to do it, I did it. I got the view and the vision, the mood and the mission. Wow, my shooters ain't missing. They just shootin', just swishing. Head first with it, make it make sense. With the stove in the kitchen, I'ma make it make sense. Got some hoes that be stripping, I be taking they tips. Got some hoes that got bitches, I be taking they bitch. Warranty good, make sure I get a full refund before I give her back to the street. I act like it's sweet, I treat the Lambo like a Nissan. Treat the trap house like a beach. Forever I rap with the set on the chain. I'm coming, I don't let her know it, I came. I love you, I don't let her know it's a game. I clutch her, I don't let her go and I'm fucking. Ain't no pillow talking, ain't no discussion. But she said she gon' hold me down like a button. But I know these hoes can't hold water in the bucket. She dropping shit monthly, period. Ooh, all these hoes want is material. Ooh, Kobe got shit all mysterious. Damn, broke bitches start getting weirder. Damn, broke niggas start disappearing. Yeah, rich nigga aim is a meal. No, broke bitches start interfering. Damn, I get high and incoherent. Damn, I don't know why, bitch, that's serious. Yeah, back in my hood, niggas used to call me Fred Durst, cause I had that rock white. She bending over, but I want some head first. I came and I'm out, drops mic. I thought a bro nigga said something. I hop on my skateboard and shred something.